Hello everyone, welcome back to Ritiprajna. In our previous video, we explored the fascinating world of data science, its definition, its rich history, and how it has evolved into one of the most transformative fields in the modern world. Today, we are diving into something even more exciting: how you can become a data scientist and how does the career path look like. If you are a student wondering where to start, or a working professional looking for a career switch, or someone just curious about this field, then this video is for you. We have created this video based on our over 20 plus years of hands-on experience in the areas of advanced analytics, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence that spreads across various industry types and across various domains. We have leveraged our insights of these 20 plus years of industry experience to prepare this video. So let's start discussing what are the key skills needed to become a data scientist first, and we'll discuss in detail how does the career path looks like. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of becoming a data scientist, the key skills you need to master. You might have heard in many videos that data science is a multidisciplinary field that lies at the intersection of mathematics and statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge. And while that's true, we want to add our unique perspective drawn from our academic background and over 2 decades of industry experience. We have developed this structured comparison table that highlights the essential knowledge areas required for key smart technologies like data science, machine learning, software development, and research. Basically, becoming a data scientist is just like cooking a special recipe. You need to focus building your mathematics, statistics, computer science, and deep functional and domain skills together. To truly excel as a data scientist, knowing one or two components is not enough. But here is the real secret. Technical skills are not enough. What truly sets a data scientist apart is a mindset, a way of thinking. In the next section of this video, we'll cover what exactly you should study in the areas of mathematics, statistics, and computer science. Let's find out what are the key topics you should cover in statistics, mathematics. Statistics and mathematics are truly vast and they form the backbone of data science. While having a graduate or postgraduate degree in these subjects gives a clear advantage, you don't need to cover the entire academic curriculum from day one to start your journey in data science. What matters the most in the beginning is building a strong foundation on essential and foundational subjects and topics of mathematics and statistics. And as you grow, you can continue learning and mastering more chapters and subjects. And remember, the more you learn and master in these disciplines, the stronger you will become as a data scientist. And now let's find out what are the key topics you should cover in statistics and mathematics. In mathematics, you should master topics like linear algebra, calculus, probability theory, optimization technique, discrete mathematics, real analysis, and mathematical analysis. Here, what to focus on statistics. Basically, in statistics, you need to focus on descriptive statistics, statistical methodology, probability distributions, statistical inference that includes both estimation and testing of hypotheses, regression analysis, sampling techniques, time series analysis, and multivariate analysis. Of course, you can think of more topics like stochastic process, biostatistics, operation research, demographic, statistical quality control, and reliability. And the list goes on. Now let's talk about the next subject, computer science. First comes programming. Friends, to become a proficient data scientist, mastering programming languages like Python and R is essential because they offer powerful libraries and tools for data analysis, visualization, and model development. Next essential skill in data scientist toolkit is database and data management. Start by mastering SQL to efficiently manage and query structured data within relational databases. As you progress, expand into NoSQL systems like MongoDB or Cassandra or similar systems to handle unstructured and large scale data. Also, having foundational knowledge of API development and API consumption is a valuable skill for data scientists. It enables efficient access to diverse data sources, also helps automation of workflows, and scalable deployment of models in real world applications. Friends, also we would like to recommend to learn cloud technologies like AWS, GCP, and Azure. Basically, this plays a crucial role nowadays in data science by providing scalable computing resources, storage, and advanced toolkits that enable efficient data processing, model training, and deployment. If we go back to skill comparison table for each smart technology fields, data scientists need to be proficient in machine learning as well. That's why understanding the types of machine learning and their key algorithms is also very important. We recommend being comfortable with the MS Office tools like PowerPoint and Microsoft Word for effective communication, and especially Excel, which is a powerful tool for data analysis, quick calculations, and reporting. MS Excel skill often come in handy even before you write your first line of code. Now let's talk about how does the career path of a data science looks like. You can begin your data science journey as a trainee data scientist or junior data scientist, where you will focus on learning and assisting in projects and building foundational skills. As you gain experience, you can move up the ladder to roles like data scientist or senior data scientist and even lead or principal data scientist. Eventually, with the right expertise and leadership skills, you can rise to the strategic roles like chief data scientist or head of data science. Please keep in mind that different organizations may have their own unique titles and role structures, but the growth path generally follows the upward trajectory from technical contributor to leadership. Earlier in the beginning of this video, I had mentioned what sets a data scientist apart is a mindset, a way of thinking. So let's discuss about what are the soft skills needed to become a data scientist. Some of the important soft skills that data scientists should possess, they are curiosity and critical thinking, problem solving attitude, collaboration and teamwork, business acumen, and most importantly, lifelong learning mindset. Now let's talk why each of these soft skills are very important for a data scientist. A curious mind and critical thinking help data scientists to ask the right questions and challenge assumptions. A strong problem-solving attitude drives data scientists to find the meaningful solutions even with messy or incomplete data. A data scientist must work seamlessly with diverse teams to turn data into actionable insights. Understanding business goals helps a data scientist building solutions that truly make an impact. With technology evolving fast, a lifelong learning mindset is key to staying relevant and effective in data science. Friends, in summary, becoming a data scientist is not following a single fixed path. It's about building a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge. And post that, continuously learning, experimenting, and evolving along the way. At Ritiprajna, we are committed to training and shaping the next generation data scientists. If you are passionate about this field, we are here to support your journey with structured learning, hands-on project, and dedicated mentorship. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.